my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hit that subscribe button, click on this little bell, and let's be friends. Hi guys! Happy Monday, everybody. I'm gonna come in a little closer. Happy Monday, guys. Happy Monday. Happy Father's Day to everybody out there that was celebrating their daddies. I got a good one. He's a really good daddy. I'm telling you. He's not conventional, but he's a good one. I mean, if you ask him for anything, he'll pretty much do it. For me, anyways. So that makes him a good daddy. Okay, so I hope you had a great weekend. We had a great weekend. It was a heat wave that is continuing today, which I love. Okay, and if you're new here and happen to stumble by, I'm a little different. I love Mondays. Love them. Love them. On Monday, I declare, and I hope you do too. Now, someone asked me, what is declaring? And I thought, oh, okay. They don't know. So declaring, this is for the person that asked, declaring is when you declare the promise of God before that promise comes to fruition, because we have faith that it will come true. So you declare it and give thanks to it. So for example, I'm looking for my forever home. So I declare, so this is what I would say. I declare in Jesus' name that my new house has been found, and I have purchased my new home, and it is the home of my dreams, the home that I love. And I say thank you God, thank you Jesus, and I declare it in his name that this will come to pass. So that is declaring, if you're wondering what declaring is. Okay, so before we get into the video, because I know you saw the title, and I'm very excited to show you this tablescape, because I love the 4th of July, but I also love Canada Day. Now, I miss my friends and family in the U.S., because we used to, oh my God, the shenanigans we did back then. Oh, I just miss it. Anyways, I miss it, but I'm declaring that soon enough. Okay, guys, I want to show you something. And I have mixed feelings about this. And that's why I want to share this with you, because maybe you are like me and you're thinking of buying this particular item. First of all, it's this here. Let me show you. It's a FabFitFun box. And I know that so many of you have seen this on Instagram, on Facebook. They always have commercials and advertisements for this box. You see lots of big stars, like TV stars, promoting it, and they have discount codes. They usually have $10 off. The box is only $49.99. Now, listen, I paid for it, and I used a discount code. The discount code from one of the housewives, one of the Desperate Housewives. So you got $10. I think it's $10, or yeah, I think it's $10 off. So $39.99. Great deal, right? Because it says in the promotions that you get over $200 and something worth of stuff. Do I recommend this? Not so much. Did I pay for this? Yes, I did. The box comes beautifully wrapped. Now, I've opened it. It comes beautifully wrapped. I'm not saying it doesn't. Let me show you the few things. Now, there is one thing in here that I absolutely love. So maybe I take back my thumbs down completely. Okay. Like I said, it comes beautifully wrapped. It comes with a little magazine, a FabFitFun magazine, that tells you all the stuff that's in the box, and it has like a whole bunch of things in here. Now, I didn't read this 100%, but when I glanced at it, I thought my box was gonna have more stuff in it, but it didn't. So I guess that's okay. It came with this coupon, Green Chef, I guess you get $90 off coupon with free shipping. I'll check this out. If I order it, I'll tell you guys if it's worth it or not. I'm going to save the best for last, okay? I got this pillowcase. It's a silk satin pillowcase sleeve for your pillow. It's supposed to let your hair, I don't know, not damage your hair or something like that. Angela was telling me all about this. She knows better than I do. It came with a beauty blender that my daughter wants, so that's good. And they said that this was $20. It came with a very nice hand cream, which is nice. It's a coconut verbena. Let's see what it smells like, because I'm telling you, I haven't even opened this stuff. Oh, okay. Yeah, it smells nice. It smells nice. Let's try it. Okay, it came with that. Yeah, it smells nice. I mean, I don't know how much that would cost, but I'm sure you could find something like it at TJ Maxx. Then it came with this Winky Lux. It says Universal Brow Pencil. I don't know about that. We will have to test this out and see. Okay. Then it had this like beach mist. It's like a face mist. You know when you're sitting on the beach and you're kind of sweating and stuff, I guess. But I don't know how much this costs. Then it had this. This was good. Very good. It's Kate Somerville face cream. She's expensive. I know that much. Let's see how big this is. Yeah, again. That's okay, I guess. But I need a new face cream. Let's see what this smells like. Oh my. Okay, it exploded. Alright. It smells alright. I don't think it's as thick as I would like my face cream to be. Yeah, I don't know. I'll try it out and I'll tell you guys all about it. And then I was very surprised about this. This was nice. It's a Michael Kors passport holder. You can put your credit cards here, your ID, and then slip in your passport. I travel a lot, so this was really nice. And then the best for last. What is this? Oh, there's another discount something in here. Bright Sellers. Take the wine quiz. Go to Bright Sellers, take the quiz, and join and redeem $50 credit off of wine. Okay, that's cute. Let's see. I'll try that out. I do drink wine. Here's the best for last, and I think this is really good. It's this really nice rattan woven purse, and it's from Reese Witherspoon's company, Dapper James, which is very, very expensive, by the way. So there, it's from Dapper James. You can see that there. And it's pretty. It's pretty. It's magnetic closure. It's lined. It's got a nice little pocket up here with a zipper. It's a cute bag. It's got a nice little twilly thing. Look how cute it is. Isn't that cute? It's cute, right? I think it's cute. But I don't know. I guess I just assumed that you would get more stuff. So I'm going to check it out because it says in here that it comes with a lot more things. So unless they forgot to put my stuff in my box, I don't know. Do I recommend this? Would I order it again? I don't know. But anyways, it was the thing I ordered on Mother's Day that came for Father's Day. So I guess it was a nice gift. I'm going to stop yip-yapping. And let's get to the tablescape. Okay, guys, let's start the tablescape because I'm really excited about this one. And like I said earlier in my video, I love the 4th of July and Canada Day. They are such great celebrations. It's liberty and freedom and just all things great that these countries are made of. And, you know, what a better way to celebrate our countries, especially in times like this when it just seems like the world's gone a little cuckoo. But for me, I still love our countries, and I think they're two of the greatest countries. And with some of the greatest people in them, really, truly. Anyways, you'll see my tablescape because I'll explain it more in depth. but I really tried incorporating both colors, the red, the white, and the blue, red and white for Canada, and red, white, and blue for the good old USA. So this is what I did, and I'm going to show you in full detail what I've done. Oh my God, speaking of napkins, I love layering these two. They are blue. I know they look black in the camera, but they are blue. Okay guys, there is the table all set. I'm just going to show you up close and give you lots of details because I want to give you an explanation. So these are the placemats. Okay, first let's start with the tablecloth. I love this tablecloth. It is a square tablecloth. I have a similar one linked down in my Amazon store, which I updated this weekend. It's linked under table settings. So everything you see on this table, you can find in my Amazon store. Okay, so I started with a tablecloth because I really wanted it layered. Then I did the red striped placemats that say happiness, but you can hide them because I really wanted that. Then I did this plastic charger. This one is from Walmart. I love it. I think it's great. It gives a little bit of a farmhouse touch. And these blue and white dishes are just plain Mikasa white dishes. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know all about this. I couldn't find any red plates at all. And I'm going to show you this one too, because this one's a little bit different than that one. So what I ended up doing is getting Dollar Tree plates, and I painted them. I painted them with little red stars. This one is the first one. And then I got better as I went along, you could see here. And I used a little stencil from the Dollar Tree also. So that was really good. So that was my place setting. And then I used these little mason jars that come with straws. And these are adorable. These are a set of 6 from Walmart. And they also come with this amazing little caddy. And then those are my blue glasses, and I think the blue really ties in perfect. Okay, let's talk about the centerpiece, because I love it. I just did a rattan round placemat, just to give it some interest. And then if you look here, all I did was I took some hydrangeas and some of these dusty leaves, like these dusty leaves. And this is an old milk jug that I had, and this is from last year. I think it's from Michael's. I just put the hydrangeas in and these red poppies. They represent Canada, and hydrangeas represent summer to me, so that's why I have them. And then the Canadian and the American flag, because you know, this is both. For me, it's both, right? And I've explained that to you guys. So then I got my red and blue stars, and I think it looks really good. I'm going to pan back. And then the napkins, you saw me do them. They are the navy blue buffalo check with the red stripe. And look how good, guys, this red stripe napkin from Target from Christmas time matches with these placemats, like as if we'd bought them together. Now, next year, God willing, I will find some really great red plates. Okay, I want to show you one last thing. And this is the last thing I wanted to show you today because I want to keep some of my patriotic decor secret until the next video. This is a wreath I had made last year, and if you see that hot mess bow, that's my only attempt at a funky bow. Never again. I think it looks terrible. Just terrible. But I put my wreath up. It represents Canada and the US, and I love it. I think it's a great wreath. And I had it on my front door, but I have double doors this year, and I honestly just don't have the time to make 2 new wreaths that would match. So that's what I have here on my chalkboard. And speaking of chalkboards, I am going to take the wreath down and I'm going to do something really great up there. Okay, my sweet friends, what do you guys think? It looks good, right? I think it's really nice. I think it did come out exactly the way I wanted. Now these plates, you know, they're to be desired. I'm not a fan of them, but I think the colors tie in. This is everything I could find, stuff I had on hand. Guys, like I said before, I updated my Amazon store, and I know a lot of people were asking about the blanket. The blanket that I showed in the last video, I did put it on the community tab. If you didn't see that, I have it linked under everyday decor. That blanket, I highly recommend it. My God, it is beautiful. I've linked a tablecloth very, very similar to this in my Amazon store under table settings. I've linked napkins and placemats and chargers that are very, very similar, even glasses, even mason jars like this. So, you know, if you want to recreate the look, you don't even have to leave the house. You just click on Amazon and it'll come right to you. It's amazing, right? I mean, I think it's pretty cool. Anyways, so that even this rattan braided tablecloth, I got that. And I made a whole like patriotic one also. I was having fun on Amazon yesterday, let's put it that way. So I think my centerpiece looks really cute in my old milk jug, and I just think the colors are perfect. Summer to me is 4th of July, and I just love it. And Canada Day, and Canada Day, and Canada Day. But really, I have so many memories with my friends and family back in the U.S., in the summer on July 4th, that it just brings such a big smile to my face just remembering some of the shenanigans we were up to. Anyways, have a fantastic, fantastic week ahead. Have a fantastic Monday. Declare, declare, declare. We know we're declaring. Someone asked me, what is this declaring? So this is when you ask God to fulfill a promise to you, that you are basically thanking him and declaring that something will happen before it happens, because we have faith that it's gonna happen, right? Okay, so that is what declaring is to me. Have a fantastic week ahead. Know how much I love you. Oh, okay, you made it to the end. Shh, don't tell. This is from my true subbies. If you made it to the end, I'm doing a giveaway. Oh, that's right, because I'm almost at 10,000. I think I'm one away, honestly. Okay, leave the word water somewhere in the comment section down below, and I'll announce at the next video what you've won. And it's a good thing, trust me. Bye, guys. Bye, YouTube. See y'all later.